What's up, everybody? We're here in the Clubhouse. We're doing the randoms for all the giveaways from the auctions. So we're going to go live. Only going to do one timestamp. Live at 7:41. 7:41 here in Denver. And so I got everybody on the list. It's a long list. So no spaces in between. So we're going to go 3 times. Top 10 are going to win, everybody. Good luck. 1. Aaron on top after 1. There are 1,402 names on the list. 2. Sam on top after 2. And third and final time, everybody, good luck. Sean Noble on top. Followed with Samuel, Dave, Sean, Travis, Sean, G-Dog, Sean, Dave, and Sean. Sean won the jackpot there. So I'll match it up. So Sean, you got 75 bucks. Sam, you got the Mete. Dave, the Pronger. Sean, the Shea. Travis, you got the Charlie Beck. Sean, the Jobert Pro. G-Dog, you got the Kolzig Auto. Sean, the Johnson Auto. Dave, the Huso. And Sean, the Rookie Green Lot. There you go, guys.